How's it going, guys? It's Serbian Skylanders here, and I'm back with another video. So, bad things keep happening, as I said. Arsenal lost, and of course, if you didn't know, I like playing Minecraft, but I've stopped playing it because I have, Skylanders and Crash Team Racing and other games. But during the summer, I only had my laptop and I was so bored, so I installed Minecraft on Java for the first time in my life. And I played survival, and it was nice world. I had like 10 to 20 diamonds, which is, as you said, it was my first time basically survival, so it was great. Had enchanting table, everything, but my main goal were like animals. And I had a chicken, a dog, a horse, but that chicken was there from day one when I accidentally threw an egg in my house. And that world got lost in corrupted files. Yeah, and I was broken during the summer because of that. I really loved that chicken, but my sister came like 2 weeks later, and she was like, "Oh, you should start another world," because she also likes Minecraft. And I started another world. That world is almost perfect. The only thing I was missing is Elytra, and I didn't do like that secret achievement because I just couldn't, and I didn't have time because I started it in August, and on the 1st September school begins, so. But as I said, it was perfect. I had so many diamonds. I have a picture of it, and I have a picture of my 33 dogs, and I built like a core flight. So I'm going to post that on my Instagram probably. Shameless plug, you can follow me on my Instagram, it's Serbian Skylands. We are going to 5,000 followers. I'm just joking, but I would like 5,000 followers because the person that I hate has more followers than me. Okay, now that that is done, I had a few horses, few llamas. I had so many different items, different blocks, beat all of the bosses. As I said, only Elytra I didn't have time to find, and I built the core of light. I had Whirlwind. Whirlwind was there also since day one because I had a lot of dogs. I had 5 foxes, I had 2 parrots, 3 cats. I had so many villagers, you aren't aware. Like, the game was lagging. And I did all of that by just living in a boat, like in a shipwreck. And I just went in there and I was like, oh, this could be a cool house. And I lived there. And of course, it got deleted due to corrupted files. So now I'm very, very depressed. I know I wasn't playing it for a few months, but I wanted to return next summer. Because again, next summer, like during summer, I'm probably not going to make any gameplay videos because I'm not at home for like 2 months, and I just play on that laptop unless I buy Skylanders Spyro's Adventure on PC, because that is the only game that can be played on PC, which is really stupid. Why is that a thing? Can somebody explain that to me? That is so stupid. I don't understand it. What were they thinking, honestly? Like, come on, couldn't it be on PC? I mean, I love Skylanders Spyro's Adventure, but for 2 months to just post Skylanders Pirates Adventure, like, what am I going to do, honestly? Maybe speedrunning, I don't know. But it's on computer, I don't know how, it feels to play. Maybe I'm not as good. Some things are different, like, you wait 4 minutes. But yeah, so I'm going to start a new Minecraft world. But I'm not probably going to record them. Like, when I do some achievements, I'm probably like going to post it on Instagram, which you can follow, by the way, if I haven't said it already. And yeah, but let's not be too negative. It's really stupid. Like, two, like, okay, first one, the only thing I cared about was chicken, and I had a nice little home. This one was, as I said, oh my god, I already miss it. Okay, but I'm going to start one. I'm going to get all of those dogs, get everything, beat all of the bosses, and when I'm going to build the whole Skylanders hub area. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.